Hello and welcome to today's tech guide. If Discord is using too much of your mobile data, don't worry, you can stop it easily. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to disable mobile data for the Discord app on your Android device, using just your phone's built-in settings. Locate the Discord app icon on your Android home screen. Press and hold the Discord icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info from the menu that pops up. After that, click on Data Usage Details. Find the option labeled Disable Mobile Data and simply switch it on. That's it. Your Discord app will now only work on Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Disabling mobile data helps save your data plan and gives you more control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this guide helpful. See you next time.